Semi what? Let's go see what your brother's doing. Oh, yeah.
Is it pretty?
Pretty mama.
Pretty.
Pretty mama. I'm gonna hang out with them for the morning and get up to Pennsylvania. Hopefully there's not too much bad weather up there, but it's looking like it's calling for snow. So Tank's gonna destroy the lights while we here.
Come on.
Oh.
Come on.
Let's get going. So we're a little bit rowdy with our, yeah, exactly. Power wheels. These kids, I already bent this back and bent this back. It was all smashed. Look at that. Completely broken off. Yeah, that's got a wheel for it? Yep. So we're gonna do a little bit TIG welding on this thing, see if we can get it to get back because, yeah, stop ramming each other. The metal was so thin it was deteriorating, so let's see if that holds on for dear life. Put this tire back on, but man, these kids. Good for another 6 months? Probably. Oh my goodness. Boom. Think we're good? At least for 6 months. Yeah. So before it was sitting like a light, nice camber in there. So I think we're good. We're a little bit. We're back as a firefighter. Oh, we lost a mirror. Let me help you out there. Time for me to get up to PA. Little man just went down to sleep. And they got a buddy coming over and they love to drive these, so I had to fix it before I left. Beautiful day though. Let's get going. All right, guys, let's test this thing out. Oh, yeah. Yeah, maybe 6 more months. It'll hold up. To be a kid again. Dude.
Okay, stay down.
Oh.
See you later.
Come here, kiss. All right, love you guys. You guys be good for mama, okay? Hug you too. Oh, all right, you guys have fun with Mason.
Bye.
Bye, dudes. Bye, Tank. I gotta go to work, Bubba. Oh, really? Whoa, buddy. All right, I love you. Come here. Give me a kiss. And T-Dubs is gonna go live tonight at what time, you think? Maybe?
Oh, I don't know. It depends.
She got her Guinness. Good old Rainy brought it over. Hi, Rainy. And she'll be live tonight on her channel if you guys want to watch some cooking. Come here, Tank. I gotta go to work. All right. I think I'm just gonna go with the water today. I gotta get refilled on this stuff. All right. My hats, my keys, my bag. Now let's get out of here. JustTruckin.shop, guys. Every $5 spent is free entry to win this red truck I'm about to take off in. Details are on that website if you're interested in that kind of thing. But it'll be an LS1 swap 1997. And let's get going. Santa's still alive. He was knocked over yesterday. Poor guy. It was windy. We're heading up to Pennsylvania and getting rid of some lawn chairs I put in the back to go throw away. It's always good to have a truck with a bed. That's why I want to have a truck, but we're going to be giving this one away. New wheels, tires, and we already put new seats in it. So let's get up to PA. Yeah, this is my back and forth to the truck. Nice new seats in there. From a 2014. And we just got our manifold done yesterday. All right, so we're topping off the tanks, checking oil, all that fun stuff. And we're all good. This thing does not burn any oil anymore like it did before my end frame. So I put a little bit of Lucas in there. I know I'm going up to the colder climate and people say that the Lucas fuel treatment, it can gel, but I don't use too much of it. I just like to have a little bit of it in there for the good old fuel system, have a little bit of lubrication, fuel pump to be feeling good, and all that stuff. And I just reattached my plastic hood release from the bottom from when I took all that apart when my cable broke to my steering wheel this weekend. And it makes it a lot easier if you disconnect it from right here so that you have more slack. The first one I just kind of fought with it with needle nose, and then I came out here and I was like, that makes a lot more sense to let it have more slack. So yeah, if you're doing that, make sure you release these real easy. They won't go past. They'll just give you that much more slack to get it in on the inside. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I'm putting this back together, and this hood release, it gives you more pull. So I put all those panels back on and get up to PA, but we are back at the QT, and we're gonna get our fuel paid for and get on the road. And we're off to see the Wizard. Coming up 85 now, coming almost to our favorite part of construction up here, going into Charlotte, which is horrible, but at least for right now, it's good. 71 degrees right now, perfect, beautiful day. I don't know what is going to be ahead of me up there in Pennsylvania, but I know it's calling for snow tomorrow. A little bit of rain, a little bit of snow, so T's and P's for me that I get up there and get out of there. Maybe I'll get something back down, or maybe I'll deadhead back down into North Carolina to get something, or Virginia. Just thought I'd chronicleize that we had 71 degrees when we left South Carolina, leaving QT. Let's see what's ahead of us. Just got past Lake Norman, North Carolina. Love Lake Norman. That is actually the location I was at when I met Truckin' Wife. And she's going live right now for the first time. This video will be posted later on tonight, but it's about 4:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and she's going live at 4:30. She's going to do a little cooking show. So if you're interested in some pot roast, she's doing like a Guinness Irish beer pot roast, something. I don't know. I don't cook. I'm not a very good chef, but she is definitely a great chef. So check that out if you want. And if you want to also hear about the giveaway, we will let Truckin' Wife say right here what the December giveaway is, which will be given away the day after Christmas. And here she is to tell you about it. And if you get a chance, go check out that video. Her channel is Just Truckin' Wife.
Hey, Just Truckin' family. This month's giveaway is all about the fives. We are giving away a PlayStation 5 this month. So we're putting a little twist on it again. Not only do you have to be in the chat room, but you have to know the 5 keywords. So Justin's going to release a video like he normally does, and there may or may not be a keyword in it. So keep an eye and an ear out for that keyword, those keywords, because there will be 5. And then on December 26th, we're going to start our live like we always do at 9 o'clock on Saturday, December 26th. And at about 9:30, we will announce the winner. So the winner will have 5 minutes to say hello in the chat, and then 5 more minutes to email me the 5 keywords. If the winner does not get the 5 keywords, then we go to the next. Or if the winner is not in the chat room, then we go to the next winner. And I'm really excited about this one. Good luck to everyone. Please like and subscribe. Sign up to win in that link in the description, and have a blessed day.
So just finished up with Truckin' Wife's live feed from yesterday. If you were in there, it's pretty cool. If not, go check it out. But I was hanging out here at this Love's to kind of watch it with her. It's pretty cool to watch her do her live feed. But thanks a lot, T-Dubs, for also telling us about that giveaway. If you guys don't know who T-Dubs is, it's my wife, Truckin' Wife. So she has her own little channel, and appreciate her telling us about the giveaway. And now I'm going to get up this 77. I'm heavy, 42,000 pounds, so I'm taking my time, hanging out, trying to get up this hill. Got a little truck lane. This is about the worst of it through Fancy Gap right here. Then it clears up a little bit through 81, going all the way up. So God bless, and let's keep getting up here. I'll probably do one more video when I stop, one more clip. Then I'll shoot this one out today, and then hopefully we don't have too much snow tomorrow. Little exit 205. I didn't go to the big Petro because I want Wendy's. There's a, what is this, a Flying J, a Pilot on the other side? They have a Wendy's. Still in Virginia, but I'm only about 3 hours from the drop now. All right, about 230 miles left till the drop. And we stopped at good old Pilot. I thought it was a Flying J, but it says Pilot. And I just stepped in a big hole. Oh, cool tour bus over here. Check this thing out. Got the little Darth Vader going on. The lights underneath. Okay. Pretty cool. It's like darked out on the outside, but that's going to do it, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. The weather's beautiful. It's like 47 degrees, 48 degrees. Crisp, but not too hot, or not too cold, I mean. Wendy's, 2 for $5. Yeah. Monday's coming up and Christmas is around the corner, guys. God bless all of you, and we'll see you tomorrow. And if you want to support the channel, you're cold, check out justtrucking.shop. God bless. See you tomorrow.